My name is Sheena Jones. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for iSpin. The $10 opportunity has cost $10. So what you're going to do is you're currently logged in. So what you're going to do is you're going to click these three lines. I'm actually on my smartphone, so you're going to click these three lines here. So let's do that. Okay, click it. And then as you see here, you're going to click on View Upgrade Matrix. That's what you're going to click on. And then as you see here, it brings up for you all the levels. Okay, so we're going to sign up for the View $10 Matrix. We're going to sign up for that. Give me one moment. Okay, so we're going to click it. There we go. Now once you click it, you're going to see here, okay, $10 plus the $5 admin fee. So you're going to pay a total of $15. You're going to also get 10 leads. A lot of you say, oh, I can't recruit people, so forth. You're going to get 10 leads, you guys, where the company is going to send a message to these people for you, okay? So you get 10 leads. You also get 1,000 advertising credits and 1,000 band added credits. Okay, so we're going to click here to join. Okay. Click there. Okay, so these are our options to pay. First, you're going to pay the $5 admin fee. These are the options. So you can pay by card, Cash App, Venmo. Let's see what else they have. So yes, they have a couple ways to pay. Pay with card, more payment options, Cash App, Venmo, Zelle, or you can pay with Bitcoin. So we're going to use probably Cash App. So I'll be right back with you guys. I'm going to go ahead and pay the admin fee with Cash App. One moment. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so like I said, I'm using Cash App. I went ahead and put in my Cash App hashtag. There it is. I already have sent them $5. You have to make sure you send the money first before you put in anything, any of the things you decide to do. Then you click on submit. Let's click there, submit. It has here awaiting approval. Please log in within the next 30 minutes to 1 hour to check your account activation, so forth. Then we're going to go back to dashboard. Okay. And then it has here, as you see, pending purchases. I did that. So I have to wait for them to approve me, the admin, that's admin, before I can move forward with the opportunity. Okay. And so we're basically waiting now. Once that is approved, we're going to, let's go back here. I'll be back with you. Once it's approved, we're going to pay for our position. So I will be back with you guys. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so I just got the email. It says, Sheena, your payment for iSpin, $5 has been approved. So my admin payment has been approved. And you guys, the company is located in Georgia. So it's a United States company. Just wanted to mention that. Okay, so now let me go back so we can pay for our $10 position. I'll be right back with you. Okay, so we're back on iSpin. Okay, so we're going to click on the little three dots right here. Three lines, I said dots. Okay, click that. Okay, we're going to click right here where it has View Upgrade Matrix. We're going to go back to right here, View $10 Matrix. We're going to go back to that. Okay, we're doing the same steps. Click here to join. Okay, now the $10 will go to him. Okay, they have payment options, Venmo, Zelle, Bitcoin. Let's see what other payment options they have. And then I'm going to go on his board. Okay. Pay now. More payment options. Okay, let's see. Okay, to send payment via PayPal, please. So I'm not going to do PayPal. So that's PayPal. We're not doing PayPal. I guess we're going to do Bitcoin. And so we're going to click here. Venmo. Zelle. We'll do Bitcoin. Okay, so as you guys see here, this is self-explanatory, I'm pretty sure, to a lot of you. So Bitcoin amount, you put that amount, you'll copy the address, and you basically send it to them. Then you put in right here, you're going to put in the transaction hash right in this box right here, you guys. Right in this box. Once you send it, put in the and it goes through, put in the transaction hash. Make sure it goes through. After that, click right here where it says submit details. So after you do that, you're basically finished. And then you're basically finished. Get your referral link and start giving your link out. But this is basically how you sign up, you guys, for iSpin. Thanks for watching this video, and until next time.